How to make a filigree glass figurine. After having tested the glass colours to see whether they are compatible, the glass rods required to make the filigree are made. These rods are then cut into the correct length and placed on a metal sheet. They are then taken to the furnace, which is at 1000 degrees centigrade, in order to melt them. Now the head, hat and arms are made and kept at a high temperature, ready to be used later, when they will be assembled and fitted onto the dress or suit worn by the figurine. Once the rods are fused together and formed a sheet of glass, they are rolled around a pipe in order to create a cylinder. This cylinder is then closed at one end and blowing can begin. The blowing rods stretch the glass and render it very thin. The finer the glass is, the higher is the quality of the product. The base for the figurine is now removed from the kiln, and the lower part of the figurine is fused onto it. Legs if it is a knight, and a skirt if it is to be a lady. The trunk is then attached, then the arms, and lastly the head. Once finished, the figurine is slowly cooled for 1 day. Any imperfections are then removed using special cork wheels, Comex sand and water. We hope you will be able to understand this technique, which was first developed in the 16th century, and which we have had to describe in 20th century terms.